Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Maulana Ibrahim from the Automotive Engineering Education Study Program at Universitas Negeri Padang. Currently, I'm in the third semester and taking the technical English course. Last week, I received an assignment to create a short introductory videos using English tenses with a duration of 10 minutes and without any editing whatsoever. Okay. I will share a little about myself. I come from the southern coast, specifically the area called in Air Haji. I have a hobby of fishing and many other interests. Here, I will tell you a little about my experience in fishing. I will share some basic tips and tricks for fishing, as well as the joys and struggles if encountered during my time fishing. My interest in the world of fishing first start when I was in elementary school, using amateur fishing grade from three brands with such simple tools. The fish I caught were also small, matching the equipment I used at the time. The feeling of pure joy which cannot be expressed in words when our bait is taken by a fish while we are fishing always makes me very happy when I go fishing. When I was in middle school, the fishing gear I used was upgrade, employing a cheap fiber rod that was much better than the previous three brands. The experience of assembling the fishing line and attaching the bait, which was difficult before, became more familiar due to my previous experience. At that time, I usually fished in the small rivers near my house. The fish called varied depending we fished. I typically went fishing with my purse, and we always managed to catch fish. Although the size was always big, and if we had bad luck, we sometimes came back with catching a single fish, usually due to unsupportive weather like heavy rain. When I was in high school, my time for fishing was limited because I was focused on my studies outside the region. I could only go fishing school when school holiday arrived. When the holiday came, I would return to my hometown for vacation and, of course, fishing. With a more amateur uh, and sufficient experience, I dared to fish in better spot, which were strictly dangerous for children to MP. Sorry, which we strictly dangerous for children to attempt. At that time, the fishing gear I used was better than before. Here I was already using reel and rod that were decent, not necessarily expensive, but capable of landing fish weighing 1 to 2 kilograms. Fishing is not just a hobby for me. It's also a place to refresh my mind when I'm tired of this world. This mind that when I have many problems is not a form of escape. It also teaches us the meaning of patience, as patience is hardly necessary when we are fishing. Currently, I really go fishing due to the larger number. I already go fishing due to the larger number of collect excitement and the limited time I have to relax. And finally, 2/3 of the earth is water. So why didn't we go fishing? Okay, I also have hobbies in the field of sport, whether it's football, soccer, volleyball, or badminton. Why do I really like sport? Because naturally our bodies are definitely healthy, and our mood will also be good. Also people whose hobby is exercising are often considered cool, because not everyone can participate in sport. In my village, I often play volleyball with my peers, and I a lot of fun everyone. So my advice is, if any of you don't like sport, try to start it. Even just a little, you don't have to force yourself, because it said, or according to health science, that people who exercise will have a slightly longer lifespan. I am not trying to defy God's destiny here, but this is just based on many people surveys. Okay, perhaps that all for this short video from me. I apologize if there were any mistake word from me. Thanks you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.